Hello and welcome back to WC Marketplace. Today's video will be all about vendor registration and how to add vendor to our site. Today we will learn two different but extremely easy methods to add vendors on your site. The first one shows how we can add manually, whereas in the second one, vendor registers automatically from the site. Let's just see today's topic for discussion. Today we will discuss adding vendors manually, vendor registering automatically, form created by the vendors, vendors getting automatically approved. Let's just see how we can go about that. Before we get started, let's just take care of a few general settings that will help make this registration process smoother. From the admin dashboard, navigate to settings and from there go to general. Under this general setting tab, tick on anyone can register and also from the role drop down select it as a vendor. Once done, then click onto the save changes option. Again from the admin dashboard, go to WCMP and click onto settings. The first option available is the Approve Vendor manually under this General Setting tab. Ticking and unticking this option will help decide whether vendors signing up on your site should be approved manually or not. Back to the admin dashboard, navigate to WCMP and go to Vendors. Once redirected, you can view the list of vendor added to your site. Here you can also view the sign-in vendor status like approved, pending, reject, and suspended. We will be discussing about all this in our next video on vendor management. Now let's click on to add new option. Now once we are redirected to this add new vendor page, now fill all the necessary details regarding the vendor. Once done, then click onto this add new button. We can see that we get automatically redirected to this particular vendor page where we can view all the information related to that vendor. And from the sidebar menu, we can view all the information related to the particular vendor, about which we will learn in more details in our upcoming vendor management video. Next, we shall move on to another simple method which allows the vendor to get automatically registered to the site. As previously told, WCMP provides form for vendors and we shall be using that. Now let's view our website through a vendor's perspective. Now from the site, click onto vendor registration. Now as we can see that by default, WCMP provides an email address and a password as a basic requirement for the registration process. But with WCMP, you get to create your own personalized vendor registration form. And you know what the cherry on the top is? Information added by the vendor while filling the registration form will automatically get updated in the WCMP dashboard. So let's stop delaying and let's start creating our very own vendor registration form. From the admin dashboard, navigate to WCMP and from there go to settings. Once redirected, then click on to Vendors tab. To create a form, we use the titles from the form fill mentioned here by clicking on the respective boxes. Once clicking, we can view that a pop-up text box appears. Now let's go through all the fields one by one. Text box is a simple text input to enter any kind of information. In the label field, you can add any caption of your choice. For example, let me enter store name. The placeholder will reflect the content given in the space until any data is provided by the vendor. You can leave this blank. To make this field mandatory, check this required checkbox. To change the styling of the field, enter a CSS class in the custom CSS classes and use it in your CSS file. Once done, then click onto the Save option to save the changes. Now that the form is ready, let us view the site from the vendor's perspective. Now from the registration page, we can view the customized vendor registration form, where with the default requirements, the store name and the phone number is also visible. Let's enter the details to complete the vendor registration process. Wow! After clicking on to register, we have been automatically redirected to a page with the greeting saying congratulations, you have successfully applied as a vendor. Please wait for the further notification from the admin. Now let's see whether the recently registered vendor will be approved or rejected by the admin from the dashboard. So this can be done in two ways. Let's just understand the first way. From the admin dashboard, navigate to WCMP and from there go to vendors. And under the vendor tab, you can see that there is a section called pending vendor, and now click on it. Now we can see that the recently added vendor is waiting for the admin's approval. We can view the vendor by clicking on it. Once redirected, we may either click onto this approve button to allow them to be a vendor, or may click onto this reject button to prevent them from selling on the site. Now under this optional note section, we may write a note for acceptance and the rejection to the vendor. Now let's understand the second method. From the admin dashboard, navigate to WCMP and then click on to-do list. Once redirected, then under the pending vendor approval section, you can see that the vendor is awaiting for the admin's approval. You may either click onto this activate button to allow them to be a vendor, or may click onto this reject button to prevent them from selling on the site. Now once rejected, the vendor will get a notification in the vendor dashboard as a resubmit application. Now once clicking on that button, the vendor can resubmit their application all over again. Now by clicking onto this dismiss option, the vendor cannot have an option to reapply on the site. Now if you click onto this edit button, you will get redirected to the same page. Alternatively, the vendors can also register automatically with one simple setting. Disable this approve vendor manually option. Then once the vendor will register from the site, they will get a congratulatory mail showing that you have been successfully applied as a vendor. With this, we have come to the end of our video. If you like the tutorial, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Click on the small red bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. And do not forget to check out the description box below for more useful links. Thank you for watching.